Hey YouTube, came across an old vise the other day at an estate sale. It's a Prentiss Bull Dog. Pretty good shape actually, it's not broken or anything. Handle's nice and straight. We're going to clean it up and paint it and make it real pretty. I don't think this is original though. Got these caps on it. So I think I'll fix that. Fix it like, kind of like this. So hang on, we'll get right to it. That thing opens pretty wide, don't it? Not broken or anything so far. See if this thing comes off. Oh yeah. Threads are in good shape. Looks like, oh, I see, somebody has, let me get a flashlight. Looks like somebody's put a nail in between this post, that post right there, and this. That must have been loose. So that'll be interesting. I guess that's why they did it, I'm not sure. I think I'll just clean that up and leave it be. Because sometimes it may be a problem getting that post out of there. And I don't see any point in it. I don't want to take the chance of breaking it or screwing it up. The thing works fine as a vise, so we'll leave it be. I think I'll leave this stuff out when I put it back together just to see how it, well actually we can put it back together real quick and see how it's going to feel. Just do that. Yeah, that feels alright. I'm not sure why somebody would put that in there. Well, I guess we'll find out. I'll put it all back together. That's a rough casting there. I wonder if something's missing on that. I wonder if something is, maybe there's something coming out here. Very well could be. Yeah, I think that's been broken right there. I'll have to look at pictures of those. Hang on a minute. Let's see if we can get this out of here. That certainly isn't real tight. I don't see a thrust washer in there. Maybe I'll put one in there. That'll help it. Boy, that thing's been used though. Look at that. Woo-wee. Well, we'll get all this stuff cleaned up. And hold on a minute. I'll be right back. I'll spray this greasy stuff down with some degreaser. Let it sit for a while. Well, we'll let that soak for a while, and I'll be right back. Spray it with a little brake clean. Uh-oh, about out of that. I'm a last dropper, so I want to get every drop out of it. Well, we'll call that empty. You can. Yeah, it's gonna clean up nice. Oh, hang on a minute. There we go. All right, let's take a little brush here. Oh, we got this cleaned up pretty good. Look at the wear on that right there. Isn't it crazy? And it's got the number 24. I did see online a guy asked about that one time and wondered if it was factory or not. So now I would guess it is factory since it's on this one also. So anyway, got it all cleaned up pretty good. We'll start with another part here. How about this one here? I'll get back with you. Alright, got that cleaned up pretty good. Looks like it's got issue there, but no big deal. It ain't broken. I'll get right back to you. Alright, let's see if we can clean this up. Well, so far so good. Sure got some battle scars on her though. I'll get right back. You know, this is cast steel, and that has been broken off. I'm pretty sure that's been broken off right there. And we got a chip there. So this thing has definitely been through the ringer. So we'll keep getting to it. Well, I think we'll address this. I don't like the way this is, so I had this old kickstand here, and I cut a piece off of it, and it fits in there real nice. And I think what I'll do is take the old torch here, heat this end up real good, and I got an idea here. What did I do with it? Oh, here we go. Heat it up real good and stick it in there. I think I'll grind that down a little bit more and pound it. Get it good and hot. And I think what I'll do is practice with this one here. I think it's about the same metal. Anyway, that's the plan. I'll get right back. So that's the plan. Better move this stuff here. I got this. I'll get a pair of vice grips here. And we'll do this, we hope. That'll go in there after I get it hot. And we'll just pound away on it. That's a little rounded down there. And that should be fine. Now what I have to remember is, once I do one side, I got to put it in there and then do the other side. I don't want to do both sides before I put it in there. So let's hope I can remember to do that. Hang on a minute. Oh yeah, by the way, I forgot to trim this down so it fits in that hole. That ought to do it. I do need to grind just a little more down on that one side. It's not going in there straight. Hang on. Okay, let's try this. Yeah, there we go. Very good. Alright, I'll get the torch going and we'll get to this. go. I got to get that a lot hotter. Hold on. And I need a more solid surface. That bench ain't going to cut it. You know, I'm gonna have to change my process here. This isn't gonna work. This tube here. Let me try something else. Hold on a minute. Okay, here's the plan. I'm gonna take this piece of steel here. I'm gonna drill a divot in here, and I think that will work better. Yeah, that ought to do it. I think. It's not going to take much. Hang on a second. Okay, let's just go for it. What do you say? That's right. Well, it ain't that pretty, but it might work. Woo. We'll do it again. Here we go. I don't know, that might work. Let me cool it off. Hang on. Let's see if it's going to work here. Yeah, it's gonna hang in there. Huh. It don't look too good, but you know, what the heck. It's gonna work. Better than those caps on the end of it, I think. All right. Hang on, we'll do the other side. I'll get right back to you. And I do have it in the cap here. All right, let's give it a try. Actually, that don't go through there. I mean, it will. It's going through there, so I think thing's getting hot. Hang on a minute. Let me get the pliers on this sucker. Okay, let's try it again. That one looks a little better than the other one. Actually, it looks like you just do this and it kind of melts around there. Probably don't even have to pound on it. I don't know, we'll see here. Yeah, hell. Whee! Fireworks. Yeah, that'll certainly do it, I think. Ooh, that's hot. All right, hang on. I'll cool this off. All right, here's the moment of truth. Uh-oh. There we go. I'll have to straighten that up. Yeah, that'll work. I'll straighten this up and clean it up. Make that look nice there. Maybe, hopefully. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway, let me get back to it and I'll get right back. Well, there it is. You know, I think I'll just spray some clear on this and this handle here. And then I'll paint, you know, this other stuff. But anyway, I think, now you may disagree, but I think even though it's not all that pretty, it looks a little better than this. I never did like these kind of caps here. And I don't think that's original. So anyway, I'll get back to you. Okay, we'll wipe this down with some acetone here. Got some semi-gloss clear here, and we'll paint it. Oh, we got it painted here. Put a little more on there. Uh-oh. My can's messed up. Oh well. There's a couple coats on there anyway, so hold on a minute. Alright. Let us prime it. There we go. All right, hang on a minute. Let's let that dry. You know, while we're waiting on that to dry, I noticed something. I forgot to paint that, but look at this. That casting's not. See, that casting is off right there. No biggie, but it's curious. Anyway, I'll get back to you. Oh, by the way, decided on orange. And also, by the way, I found a perfect thrust washer in my pack of little goodies. Alright, I'll be right back. Well, I got 2 quick coats on it. You know, I noticed something else too. This circle here is thin over here, wide over here. So, even back in them days, the craftsmanship wasn't perfect all the time. So anyway, we'll let that dry up a little bit here, and I'll show you the finished product. Well, there she is, folks. All cleaned up and painted. I guess that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a good one. Good luck.